Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Lussa Gaming. We have a very interesting project here with a free airdrop for a closed beta, so you have time to get in now and you are going to receive Lussa tokens when the project launch. So like always in my videos, we are going to cover everything about the project, and then I will give you quickly the steps on how you can participate on this free airdrop. Like you know, gaming is a very important industry in the crypto space, and the total gaming industry right now is 19 billion. So it's really low even compared with the last bull run. So this bull run we are expecting more money into gamify ecosystem. So Lussa Gaming could be one of those winners this time. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well Lussa, the final frontier. This is an interstellar gaming experience. In the game Lussa, Earth is threatened by a solar storm, and players form teams, explore new planets, gather resources, and fight other groups to ensure humanity's survival. Important points about this project is that they are launching soon. They will manage a marketplace and a DX for the game resources. The project is powered by Visionaire Labs, which is a company that has a very good reputation on the crypto space. The tech stack involved is Saga, which they are actually launching an airdrop very soon. Arbitrum, Immutable, so very important technology stack. The token max supply is going to be 1 billion tokens, so it's not a crazy amount. And the closed beta is going to give an airdrop for participants. So that is what we are going to check on this video. Going into the website, you can go to lussa.io. One important thing is that here in the About Us, you can see the story of Lussa, but also you have access to the team. So here you can research the team with links and everything. So this is 100% transparent. You also will have a Lussa DX and a marketplace like I commented, and also a leaderboard for the project. Here you have all the documentation that you need to see. For example, the white paper. And the white paper is very smooth and very well organized, so you can go to the table of contents and search more and research more about the project. And in terms of tokenomics, the distribution is really fair, 1 billion tokens in total. We don't have specifically an airdrop distribution here, but the airdrop could happen from the marketing percentage or even for the 30% of the ecosystem growth. So even if it's not specifically mentioned here, we know that we are going to have some rewards for the closed testnet of the beta. And all this announcement is related to this. If you go to the Lussa Twitter, you will see this tweet launched on January 16, which basically engage people to get exclusive access now and uncover the surprises awaited. And here you have the way to join the beta of Lussa, so we are going to do that. So going to the step-by-step of the project. First of all, go to the Twitter and follow them. That is also a criteria for this airdrop. You need to follow the Twitter account of Lussa. So the second point is that you need to go to the official tweet that I just showed you. So go to that link and you need to retweet the link. So you can see here it's already retweet. You can see that I am also following the Twitter account. Those two things are a requirement and you are going to see it after this. And then the point 3 is that you need to join the whitelist. Here you have the direct link to do that, which send you to this part, and this is the final frontier of Lussa. And here you can see that the registration is still live, and for this of course you will need to put your email address. This is also an anti-sealable rule, and you need to put your Twitter account. And after doing that, you need to like and retweet the tweet here. So this tweet is going to send you again to the same tweet that I just showed you, and you need to follow the account, which are the steps 1 and 2 that I mentioned before. After you complete that, just click on submit and you will see a message that the submission form is sent. And with that, you just need to wait for now. But you can ensure that we are already participating on this, and the testers of this closed beta are going to receive for sure part of the airdrop. I don't know if I should say this, but I have contact with the CEO of this project. I have the confirmation from him regarding the airdrop for beta testers. So that is why I am also covering, because I am sure that we will get the rewards for participating on this project. So I think this is very interesting. Like I said, the graphics and the product for this looks very well. And you also have in the social part, you have a YouTube channel where you can already see a couple of videos And also you have the link to CoinMarketCap. So this also gives you a guarantee that this is a serious project. So I also recommend you to follow the profile here on Lussa on CoinMarketCap. And yeah, all the documentation and socials are available for you to follow the project. And in the point 4, I just put a link for the Medium page where you will see more information of Lussa if you want. They just launched an ambassador program if you want to participate there. Or you have more documentation about different aspects of the gaming and project development. So that will be all for this video, guys. Remember 3 easy steps to participate on this free airdrop. Gaming industry is going to be huge on this next bull run. So this is a good moment to start accumulating tokens for your profile on the gaming industry. Even if you are buying tokens or if you are participating on this kind of free airdrops of really good and cool and professional projects like Lussa. That will be all for this video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and also follow me in Twitter at CryptoCState. In Twitter I post live things that I am doing, different airdrops and more information that in YouTube cannot be 24 hours a day. So follow me in Twitter, and remember that I have my private Discord and my airdrop application to join. That will be a game changer for you if you are applying to airdrops. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.